Welcome back. So today we're going to discuss the concept of number systems with solution. So let's start. So first concept we're going to start with the perfect square. So what number is to be subtracted from 0.006898 to make it a perfect square? So in this concept, this is not a perfect square actually, this number. So we need to subtract something from this number and we will get the answer. So if you got this question in your exam, okay, and option is none of this is given means better you can check from the option. So subtract 8 from this number and check whether 6890 is a perfect square or not. Okay, so likewise we can check with one number and get the answer. That is the easiest way. That more than that, we need to confirm that what range my perfect square, this number, square root of this number will be. Okay, let's take 6898. Now I'm going to find the square root. So what range? Not going to get the exact value, just I will get the approximate value. So split from last two digit. So look at this. From the last value, I will never get the answer because this is not a perfect square. So leave it. Okay, but from this first set of the numbers, I can get one thing, right? 68 is lies between 8 square and 9 square. What is 8 square? 64, and 9 square is 81. Okay, so 68 lies between these two, correct? So definitely my first number in my two-digit number, first number will be 8, and second number I don't know. And one more thing, what is 85 square? If the square value ends with 5, so write 5 square is 25, and first number is 8, next number is 9. 9 times 8 is what? 9 times 8 is 72. This is how we can get the answers easily when it ends with 5 square. See, if it is 35 square, what is 5 square? That is 25. Next number of 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. This is what the answer. So here, I understand one thing, 85 square is 7225, correct? But we got only 6898. This is less than this 85 square. So our answer will be 81 square or 82 square or 83 square or 84 square. Okay, so first subtract this value and get the answer. If I subtract this 6898, okay, 6898 minus, okay, let's take this 0.006898 minus 0.00009. Okay, so I will get the exact value of 83 square value. So what is 83 square? 6889. This is the 6889 is the perfect square value. So from the option as well as our approximation thinking, you can get the answer. So same kind of question, one more question. What is the least number which should be added to 0.0282 to make it a perfect square? Okay, so 307,78982. So 289. What is that? This is nothing but 17 square. Okay, if you add any other numbers, okay, add 282, so 282, okay, and 282, 282, and check whether we get an perfect value, perfect square or not. Okay, and my answer is 289, that is 17 square, because 20 square is what? 400. Okay, this is less than that. So definitely we understand that from 15 square to 20 square is my answer. 17 square is the right answer. So the answer is option A. Next question. By what number should 86700 be divided to make it a perfect square? See, when you get a word divide or multiplication, okay, and make a perfect square, just take L division. That helps you to get an idea how to get the answer. Factors, LCM, HCF, okay, and trailing zeros, everything is based on L division. Okay, so whenever you want to get the answer, first of all we need to complete the L divisions, right? So here let's take 2, 4, 3, 6, 3, 10, 5, 0, correct? Okay, let's take 5. 40 is 8 times, 33, 30 is 6 times, and 35 is 7 times 0. Again, I will take 5. 1 5 in 8, 36, 35 is 7 times, and 117, 5 3 times is 15 and 20 is 4 times. So 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So I can divide it by 3. Okay, right. So 17, 3, 5 times 15, 23, 23, 21, 3, 7 3s are 21, remaining to 24, 8 3s are 24. Right now 578, I will take 2 table, 2 times 4 remainder 1 17, let's take 16 8 times and remainder 1 18 is 9 times. Look at this 289. Did you remember that in previous question only 17 square is 289, so it is a prime number 17 times 17. Okay, that's it guys. So now I'm going to write all these prime factors. This is called prime factors. Okay, look at this 2 5 5 3 2 17 17. Okay, all these numbers. Look at this. Now if they are asking for perfect square, so take two digits. 5 into 5 is one set of square, 17 into 17 one set, and this 2 and this 2 is one set. So which one is remaining? 3 is remaining. Look at this. When 3 need to be square, I want another 3. So this another 3 is the answer. Okay, if I multiply this value with 3, that value will be a perfect square. Okay, so that's what. So T3 will be the answer. Okay, right. Next question. Find the smallest number that should be multiplied with 5 4 000 to make it a perfect square. Look at this. A smallest number that should be multiplied with this number to make a perfect square. So what number I need to multiply here to get the perfect square? So for this, look at this guys, already I told you, just take the L division. Multiply or division, you need to do this. Okay, look at this. Take 3 table. Okay, let take start with 2 tables. That will be easy. 2 times 4. Okay, and the remainder 1 14. 14 is 7 times 30. Right now you can take 3. 27 is 9 3s are 27. 0. Again I will take 3. 3 times 9. Okay, and 3. Let's take 5. 2 times 2 zeros, and again 5. 24 times 40. 5. 8 5s are 40. 2. How many times? 4 times 2 and 2. Right? So look at this. Now I'm going to write the prime factors. 2. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is 3 times. How many 5s? 1, 2, 3. So 5 is 3 times. So this question is based on cube value, perfect cube. So make it 3. Okay. So 3 is the pair. So here it was 3 2s, 3 3s and 3 5s. So remaining is 2. Now I want to get, if this 2 need to get a pair, if the 3 2 get to a cube means it should be multiplied with 2 2s. Okay, that was the answer. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, if you multiply this number with 4, you will get a perfect square. So option A, 4 is the right answer. I hope you guys understand this, right? Next question. What is the least number which should be added to 1330 so to make it a perfect square? Okay, so 1330. First thing I need to understand at what range it will come. Okay, 13. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. Definitely My number starts with 3. Okay, so 31 square. Let's take what is 35 square? 25. 3. Next number is 4. 3 4s are 12. 1 2 2 5. Here 1330. So definitely my answer will be more than this 35 square. Okay, so try to get answer with that. Here the answer is 39. Okay, so 1 3 plus 30 plus 39 is what? 69. 1369 is a perfect square. So here the answer is option E, 39. Okay, that is nothing but 37 square. 37 square is 1369. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the least number by which 1470 must be divided to get a number which is a perfect square? What is the least number by which 1470 must be divided to get a number? Okay, same concept. 1470. Just take the L division method. Okay, take the L division method. I will take 2 7 times and take 6. 6 half is 3 and 10 half is 5. Then 5 1 5, then it will be 23. 4 times 20 and remember 3 35 will be 7 times 147. Okay, it will be divided by 7. 7 2 times 14 and 1 times. Okay, again if I take 7 3 times, right? Then 3 1. So what is the prime factors here? 2. How many 2? Only 1 2, right? Then 5 is 1. Then 7 into 7 into 3. Look at this clearly, guys. In this concept, 7 is a pair. Remaining number does not have pair. So if I want to make it a square, perfect square, I need one more 2 to make this 2 perfect square, and I need one more 5 to make this 5 as a perfect, and I need one more 3. So just multiply these numbers. That's what your answer. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 3 times is 30. Option B, 30 is the right answer. Clear? Right, so next concept is factors. Okay, so find the value for the factor. Right, so I already told you that whatever the number is given, we need to take the L division method. Okay, first take the L division method. Here they want both odd factors and even factors. Okay, right, first of all I need to find the total number of factors here. Let's take 5. 10 2 times 50. How many times? 5 10 times, right? Right. Next, I need to take 10 5 21. 4 times 5 4s are 20. Remainder 110 is 2 times. Right. Then 2 2 1 3 7. That's it. 7 1. So 5 2 times, 2 1 time, 3 1 time, 7 1 time. So how to find the number of factors? Number of factors is we need to add 1 with this power. Okay, so in this power value we need to add 1 with this and multiply the numbers. So 2 plus 1 is 3 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2. So 4 2s are 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So 24 is the total number of factors. Okay, for finding the even factor we had a formula. Okay, so formula is nothing but C, a power p into p power q into c power r. Let this be the prime factors and powers. Okay, so I need to write p into q plus 1 and r plus 1. Okay, this is what the formula for finding even factor. Look at this, which is P, which is Q, and which is R. Okay, so now finding even factor, I need to take this 5 power 2 as the P. Okay, next, this is 1 plus 1. Okay, then again 1 plus 1, then one more 1 is there, so 1 plus 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 times 4. 4 into 4, so somewhat is wrong. Wait. For even factor, yeah. Sorry, I need to take a wrong one. Right. Always keep 2's power as first. Okay, this A will be 2's power. Okay, 2's power should be P. If 2 is not there, take 3's power. Okay, so first write this. 2's power is 1. 1 into, then write 2 plus 1, then 1 plus 1. This is over, then 2 plus 1, then 1 plus 1, and one more 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Yeah, now you will get the right answer. 2 plus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So even factors is 12. If even factor is 12, subtract from the total number 24. 24 minus 12 is 12. That is odd factors. Odd factors is also 12. So 12 comma 12 is the right answer. Clear? So confirm this formula. Always 2 power should be the first P. Okay, then remainder power should be added, and at last you need to multiply. Right? Then, how many 4-digit numbers have exactly 5 factors? So here I want to explain something very deeper. Okay, so please listen carefully. When you get 5 factors means if I multiply 2 numbers, I will get one number. Right? That is called factor. So if for one number there will be 2 factor or 4 factor or 6 factors. So factors will be always even number. Okay, if I take 12, what are all the factors? 1 into 12 is 12. Then 2 into 6 is 12. Then 3 into 4 is 12. So factors means totally there are 6 factors. Okay, so factors means always even number. But when we got an odd number means, see, in some cases we got this odd number. So please be clear. If the number is a perfect square like 16 or 25 or 81, okay, look at this, 16. 1 into 16 is 16. Then 2 into 8 is 16. Then 4 into 4 is 16. Here, how many factors are there? 2 factors. Here 2 factors, but here this is only one number, only 4. So here you had only 5 numbers, 5 factors are there. So when we got 5 factors means when it is a perfect square. So here 25, 1 into 25, then 5 into 5. So here we had only 3 factors are there. So this is what the concept. When you had a perfect square, it contains an odd number of factors. Okay, clear? So let's start with this. Here, how many 4-digit number? Okay, how many 4-digit numbers had exactly 5 factors? That's what the question. Okay, so here I want to be clear one thing. If you want to find the answer, you need to take a perfect square. Perfect square means 2-digit number. That is perfect square. But here the number should be 4 digits. So the same number which came 4 times, that will give the 5 factors. Okay. So let's take 2. Okay. If you take 2 power 4. Okay. I will explain clearly. If you take 2 power 4, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You will get the answer in 4 digits. Please check. 2 2s are 8, 4 into 4 is 16. This is 2-digit number, not 4-digit number. If you take 3 power 4, 3 power 4 is 81. 81 is a 2-digit number. Okay, so let's take 5 power 4. What is 5 power 4? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Here 25 is 625. That is also not a 4-digit number. But I needed a 4-digit number. So let's check 6. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So what is 6 power 4? 6 cube is what? 216. 216 into 6 is 1296. Look at this. This is 4-digit number. So 4-digit numbers was started from where? From 6. So if you take 7 power 4, 8 power 4, 9 power 4, all the answers are 4-digit number. 7, you don't need this, but even though I will write here, 7 power 4 is 2401, 8 power 4 is 4096, and 9 power 4 is 6561. But if you go for 10 power 4, what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, your answer will be in 5-digit. Okay, so how many answers are there? 6 power 4, 7 power 4, 8 power 4, and 9 power 4. So totally we had only 4 answers, but that is not given, so none of this is the answer. Clear for this question? Next one. Look at this. The prime factorization of integer n is a into b into c. Okay, so a, b, c are a distinct prime integer. Where is, so number of, how many factors does n have? How many factors? I had 2a, right? So a power 2, b power 1, and c power 1. So add 1 with all these powers. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. If you multiply this, 3 2 times 6, 6 2 times is 12. So I had 12 factors are there. That's it. Clear? Next question. A number has exactly 3 prime factors. Okay, this is most important question. Please listen. 3 prime factors. 125 factors of these numbers are perfect squares, and 27 factors of these numbers are perfect cubes. Overall, how many factors does the number have? Perfect squares and perfect cubes. Already I told you, if it is a perfect square, there is a chance for 5 numbers. Okay, right, 5 factors, 3 factors are odd numbers. Okay, that is a chance. Okay, let's take this concept. Totally there are 3 numbers. Let's take a, b, and c. Okay, 3 prime factors. So prime factors, they have a numbers. How I will write? Perfect squares means, what is the formula? Look at this, a power p plus 1, right? But I need to write divide by 2 because it is a perfect square. Okay, and b power p by 2 plus 1, sorry, q. C power r plus 1, but here I need to take divide by 2. Is it clear? So how to find the factors? P plus 1, q plus 1, r plus 1. But it is a perfect square, means I need to put divided by 2. Okay, but now I need only this power values, not this ABC, because I need to find only the factors, right? So let's take P divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, this is one thing. Next, Q divided by 2 plus 1, and R divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, overall the number of factors is 125. When we will get 125, I can take this as 5 into 5 into 5, because 3 prime factors are there. If I split it into equally, 5 into 5 into 5, so I can write P over 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, this is one thing. Q over 2 plus 1 is equal to 5, and R over 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. Clear? Right, now one more step. I don't know whether it will be visible or not. Right, I will start from here. P over 2, that is equal to 4. Q over 2 is equal to 4, and R over 2 is equal to 4. That plus 1 will come this side, it will be -1, right? And now, so P is equal to, Q is equal to, R is equal to 8 or 9. Why or 9? Please listen. It is a perfect square. So maybe 8 numbers, or there is a chance for 1 number extra. Okay, right? So 1 number extra. So 8 or 9. Already I told you, perfect square means it will be 8 even number. Sometimes it will be in odd number 2. So 8 or 9 will be the answer. Okay, keep this aside. Now let's move to the next cube values. Let's take the cube values. So here same p over 3. Here this is a cube plus 1 and into q over 3 plus 1 into r over 3 plus 1 is equal to your 27. Plus 27 I can make this as 3 times 3 times 3. Correct? So p over 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 and q over 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 and r over 3 is equal to plus 1 is equal to 3. Now let's take p over 3 is equal to 2, correct, and q over 3 is equal to 2 and r over 3 is equal to 2. So now p is equal to q is equal to r is equal to, it may be 3 times 2 is 6 or 7 or 8. Why? Because here it is a cube value, so 3 numbers is a chance from 6 to 8. Square means 2 numbers, 8 or 9. Cube means 3 numbers. From 6 I need to take 2 more numbers. So which is the common number here? So common number is 8 and 8. So our answer will be 8. The factors or power values are 8, 8, 8. So that means a power 8, b power 8, c power 8. If I want to find a factor, I need to add 1 with these numbers. Right? So what will be the value? 9 into 9 into 9. 9 cube is what? 729. That's what the right answer. So this much of work we need to done for getting answer, but it is very easy once you understand this. Clear? Right? Let's move to the next one. The smallest number which is a perfect square and contains 7936 as factors. Oh, 2 numbers are 11, 12. Both the questions are here. Right. Anyway, we will complete this. So 11 sum. Okay, the smallest number which is a perfect square contains 7936. I think you guys can do this. Nothing trick in this question. Both the questions. Next question is different. Okay, 11. Perfect square and contains 7936 as a factor. So how to get the answer? So 7936 is a factor. So which number I need to take with this? Okay, that's it. So what will be the answer? Yes, I come. Okay. Right. So it continues. The smallest number which is a perfect square and contains 7936 is a factor. So as usual, guys, let's take the L division for this. Okay, and just find what is the prime factors you got for this 7936. I will write answer directly. You can check with the L division. Okay, for 7936, you will get 2, 2, 2, 2, and 4 more 2's. Okay, into 31. Okay, so here look at this. For perfect square I can make all the 2's as a perfect square, and 31 I need one more for this 31. Okay, if I multiply a number with 31 I will get the answer. So already I told you. Okay, into 31. What is the answer for this number? It will be 246016. That's what the answer. Same concept. I am pairing all the numbers, and without pair I need to multiply with that number and getting the perfect square number. And look at the next one. In how many ways can a number 6084 be written as a product of 2 different factors? What does mean product of 2 different factors? Product of 2 different factors is we need to find couple of factors. So first find number of factors. Let's take 6084. Okay, So always the same, 3042, then take 1 5, then 2 1. So let's take 3 table, 3 5 times 15 and 21. 21 is 7 times, right? Take 3, 1 times 20, 6 times 18, 27, 9 times, 169, 13 square, right? Yes, so 13 into 13 is 169, right? Now, so what we need, couple of factors. So 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 had 2 times, 3 2 times, 13 2 times. So add 1 with this. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 3s are 3 cube is 27. That's what the right answer. Oh, sorry. They want couple of factors. So don't take 27. 27 minus 1 is 26. Half of 26 is 13. 13 is the answer, not 27. Okay, so you need to take half of the number of factors. Sorry for that. Right. Next question. N is a natural number and n cube has 16 factors. Then how many factors can n power 4 have? So how to solve this problem? For this question, n is a natural number and n power 3 had 16 factors. Okay, number of factors is 16. Okay, then n power 4 had how many factors? That's what the question. N power 3 means I can write a number came 3 times, that is 16. So 3 plus 1, 3 times one number came means, so it will be 4 square, 4 into 4. Yes, 4 into 4 is 16. So here it will come 5 into 5. Okay, so because a number A comes 3 times. Okay, so that is why we take this 3 as n a power 3. Okay, I need to put plus 1. So it will be 4. So 4 into 4 will be 16. So same concept, if it will becomes power 4 means it came 4 times into a. So a power 4 means I need to put plus 1. So that is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 is the right answer. Clear? Right, next question. How many prime numbers between 1 and 100 are factors of 7150? So again take the L division, you will get the answer. Okay, so I think you guys know how to find L division for this. For 7150, just I write the prime factors here. For 7150, we will get 2 5 5 into 11 into 13. Okay, so how many prime numbers between 1 and 100 are factors? Okay, so here we had this 5 is 1, so this is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. So totally there are 4 prime numbers are there, okay, in this answer. This is how we need to, they want number of factors. Okay, how many prime numbers between 1 and 100 are factors of, so number of factors is only 4. Okay. Right, next, which number is multiplied by 43 which have 3 prime factors? So same kind of question once again. So 15th question, which number is multiplied by 43 which have 3 prime factors? Okay, just three prime factors, 2, 3 into 43. Okay, 2 times 3 times 43, I'll get 258. Which number is multiplied for this? Wait. Okay, and for this question, they need 3 prime factor. Okay, so 43 is one number. We need to understand the concept of prime number and composite number. So prime number will be, it will be divisible by 1 and itself. That is called prime number, right? So now multiplied by 43. So I need to multiply two numbers. Okay, so it should be a 3 prime factor. So 3 prime factors means better we can check the prime numbers and least number. Okay, so if I take the least prime number, it starts with 2 and next number will be 3. So that is why I take 2 and 3 and multiply, I'll get 258. Okay, so from this, look at this. If I multiplied with this, I will get only 3 prime factors. Okay, so 2 into 3 is nothing but 6, right? So 6 into 43. So which number is multiplied? So now I understand that 6 is the only number, first least number. I multiplied with 43, I will get 3 prime factors. So that is 6 is the right answer. I hope you guys got it. So 6 is a composite, but that had 2 prime numbers. So totally we had 3 prime factors, right? And next question, 16th question. How to write this sum of the digits in the equation, that is 16 power 100 into 125 power 135 is equal to what? So for these kind of questions, just do like search and indices concept and split it and write the equation. Okay, I will write this 16 as 2 power 4 into 100. Yeah, that 125, we know that we can write it in 5 power 5 cube, right? So 5 power 3 into 135, right? And now it will be 2 power 400 into 5 power 135 into 3, that will be 405. Correct. So now I will write 2 power 400 and another one is 5 power 400, okay, into 5 power 5. This 405 I will split it into 405. So n x power m x power m into x power n. Sorry, this is what the formula. X power m into x power n. I can write x power m plus n. So that's how I can write here. Okay. Now, next step, 2 into 5 power 400. I can write like this. Okay, into 5 power 5. Right. So from this, I can write 10 power 400 into 5 power 5 is what? 3125. So 10 power 400 means everything is zeros, right? So our answer will be 3125. Then how many zeros? It will goes on 400. Okay, that's it. So look at the question. Sum of the digits means we need to add 3125 and 000 will goes on. I want to add this digit, so remaining zeros I don't worry about it. So 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus and so on. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, right? So 11 means 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is the right answer. That's it. Clear? So I will get 11. That 11 also I need to add. That is called digital sum. Right. Next, In an 8 into 8 chessboard, what is the total number of squares? So let's take, if it is a chessboard, two ways we can get the answer. If it is a chessboard, there are so many squares are there. So this is one square, this is second square. If you combine this, that is also one square. If you combine three, that is also one square. So that is not easy by counting the chessboard. Okay, so we can do one thing: 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square. If you add this, you can get the answer manually. Or else the easiest way is, what is the square formula? Okay, that is the easiest way. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. So if you use this, you can get answer for the squares. Okay, so n is nothing but 8. 9, 2 into 9 over 6, you will get the answer 204. So 204 squares are there in the chessboard. Okay, or else you can just count from 1 square to 8 square, you can get the answer. Okay, right. Next question. A miser can make one cigarette from 5 cigarettes butts. What is the maximum number of cigarettes the miser can make from 1000 cigarette butts? So here we can get answer by understanding this concept. Okay, right. Just read it out. Right. So here, out of 1000 cigarettes, okay, a miser can make one cigarette out of 5. So how many 5 cigarettes are there? We need to find this. Okay, so 200 cigarettes you can make from 1000 cigarette butts. Okay, then from the 200 cigarettes, it contains cigarette butts, right? So out of this 200, every 5 cigarette I can make one cigarette, right? So 200 divided by 5, 524 times, so 40 cigarettes I can make. Again, from 40, every 5 I can make one cigarette. So 40 over 5, that is nothing but 8. From 8 over 5 I can make 1. So remaining 3 will be, leave it, that is remaining. If that is 5 means I can make it 1. That's it. So overall 200 plus 40 plus 8 plus 1. So here 9, 4 and 249 cigarettes that miser can make using 1000 cigarette butts, right? So that's it, guys. So all the questions I had completed. So remaining we had 20-30 questions are there. I will upload it in the next video. Thank you.